So in the question, it is given that a block of mass 2 kg is placed on the floor. The coefficient of a static friction is 0.4. A force of 2.5 Newton is applied on the block as shown in the figure. Calculate the force of friction between surface and block. So one block is placed over the surface and we are applying some amount of force, and in the question is asking to find out that frictional force generated just because of that applied force between this block and the surface. So let us first write the values. Value of a mass is 2 kg. The value of static friction, coefficient of static friction is 0.4. The value of applied force is 2.5 Newton, sorry. And we need to find Fs. So let us first understand the concept of maximum frictional force. So generally there is some limitation of frictional force. When we apply some amount of force, if that amount of force exceeds that limit, then block will be start moving. If that applied force is smaller than that maximum limit, then it will not move. And in both the cases, the value of Fs will be different. So the first case is when F is greater than Fsm. This is maximum frictional force. Then value of Fs will be equal to Fsm. The second case is when F is smaller than Fsm, then the value of a frictional force will be equal to the applied force. So for that, first we need to identify what is Fsm. So let us calculate Fsm first. The value of Fsm is given as mu s into n, where as you can see in the free body diagram that normal is the force that is acting upward acting in the upward direction, and the value of a weight, that is mg, it is acting in the vertically downward direction. So they will balance each other. Hence the value of a normal force will be equal to the mass into that g, that is weight. So mu s multiplied by m into g. We have given value of a mu s, that is 0.4. We have given the value of a mass, that is 2 kg, and the value of a g will be 9.8 meter per second square. Okay, so the answer result will come like 7.84 Newton. This is the value of Fsm. Here we can see that the value of applied force, that is 2.5 Newton, is smaller than 7.84 Newton, which means that the value of a frictional force acting in the opposite direction will be equal to the applied force, and that is 2.5 Newton. This is our answer. The value of a frictional force between block and the surface will be 2.5 Newton.